The story is about the Little Red Riding Hood. Long ago, there lived a girl who always wore a red cape with a hood. She was known as the Little Red Riding Hood. One day, she was going to visit her grandmother who stayed deep in the woods. Her mother warned her of talking to strangers. In the forest lived a bad wolf. The wolf saw a Red Riding Hood and wanted to eat her up. He went and spoke to her and found out where she was going. Firstly, he decided to eat her grandmother and then wait for her. He reached grandmother's house and gobbled her up the whole. Then he quickly wore her clothes and tucked himself into the bed, waiting for her. When the Red Riding Hood arrived, she was surprised at her grandmother's big arms, ears, teeth. The wolf laughed a wicked laugh and pounced on her in a flash. Red Riding Hood was very scared and screamed for help. A kind woodcutter was passing by the house. He saw the big wolf trying to catch the little girl. He immediately hit the wolf on his head with his axe. The woodcutter and the Red Riding Hood cut open the wolf's stomach, and out came Grandma. She hugged Red Riding Hood with joy. The big bad wolf couldn't hurt anyone ever again. From then on, the Red Riding Hood remembered never to speak to strangers. The moral of the story is never talk to strangers. Until next story, take care and bye bye.